Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Spotify on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now the first step is to just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Then on Google, just search for download Spotify. Then from the second link, just click on free download for your platform. This is gonna give you all the platform that Spotify is available on. And you want to download it for Windows, so select the current version. And if your Windows is 32-bit and Windows 10, just select this. I'm gonna select the current version because mine is the current Windows 11 version. After that, just click on download directly from Spotify. This gives you the option because you can also download it from Microsoft Store, but we're gonna download it from the Spotify. So just click on save. Then just wait, it will start to download, and there you go, it has been done. Just click on it. You can minimize your browser, then just wait, Spotify will download. Just give it a minute. And after the download has been completed, it will start to install Spotify for you. Just wait. And there you go, Spotify has been installed. And basically that is how to download and install Spotify on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.